Some time ago, I tried to fight for myself. I tried to deal with difficult situations that were clearly beyond my capacity. I try to handle things alone that are above my understanding. When faced with walls closing in on me, I try to push them away. But you know what? It didn't work. I end up worse off than I was before. I only got exhausted, broken and discouraged. I never got out until I surrendered all to my Maker. Do you try to fight your way through alone? Do you try to face your battle without God? Do you set sail into the storm with no anchor? The truth is, you don't have to do this. You do not have to exhaust your strength into futility. Why not surrender all to the Lord? Why not just rest and let Him take charge? Why not tell Him to take His place and have His way in your whole life? Give Him the totality of your soul. Let Him fight for you. He said to King Jehoshaphat in the book of 2 Chronicles 20:15, "Do not be afraid or discouraged because of this vast army. For the battle is not yours, but God's." God is also telling you to rest. He is telling you not to worry, just sit back and watch Him take over. Sit back in the secret place of the Most High and abide under His shadow. Be at peace. The situations in life can be overwhelming when you walk only with your power. However, if you will let the Lord take the front seat of your life, you will be amazed at how He will turn situations around. He will make a way where seems to be no way. Release all to Him. Release your soul. Let Him shape your dreams and ambitions and watch Him do what only He can do. The flesh will fail, your friends may neglect you. Even parents or spouse can only advise you. But only God can bring fulfillment and peace. Let Him take the lead. And always remember 3 things. God is with you. Still with you. Always with you. God bless you. Like and subscribe the video if you believe.